In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PayPal to Paperform. Whether you're running an online store, gathering donations, or setting up a gateway for your services, integrating PayPal with your Paperform can greatly streamline your payment processes. With just a few straightforward steps, you'll be all set to efficiently receive payments through PayPal right from your Paperform. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your form. Once you have that open, head over to the Configure section. This is your go-to area for customizing and managing all aspects of your form, from behavior and appearance to how it handles payments. Under Configure, you should see a tab labeled Payments. Click on that to proceed. In the Payments section, you'll notice a button that says Manage All Payment Accounts. This is where you can add new accounts or manage existing ones. Click on this button to open a new window or tab. It might seem like a small step, but it's crucial for ensuring that your payments go to the right place. Once you're in the payment management area, you can start the process of adding your PayPal account. Look for an option to add a new payment account. Click on it and select PayPal from the list of payment providers. Follow the on-screen prompts to link your PayPal account. You might be asked to log into PayPal and allow permissions, so keep your account information handy. Now that you've added your PayPal account, let's move on to the financial aspects. Setting up the price for your form. Return to your form's main page and decide on the price you want to set for whatever purpose the form serves. This could be a fixed price for a product, a suggested donation amount, or a service fee. Navigate to the pricing settings and input your desired amount. Once the pricing is configured to your liking, you're almost done. It's always a good idea to double check your settings to make sure everything appears correctly. This includes ensuring the payment options through PayPal are visible and appropriately set. Finally, don't forget to save and publish your form. By clicking Save and Publish, you make sure that all the edits and configurations you've just made are applied, and your form is live with PayPal integrated seamlessly. This step might seem simple, but it's vital to ensuring your form is accurately set up for usage. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can successfully add PayPal to your Paperform, opening up a streamlined channel for handling transactions with ease. This integration not only simplifies payments for you as a business or service provider, but also offers convenience and security for those completing your form. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you handle your transactions more effectively.